Here are some hair hacks for instant volume. So let's try this one. I've got the mannequin head right here, and I'm going to use a towel. So this is a towel, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the hair back like this, and I'm gonna actually go like this on dry hair, and boom, look it. We have instantly fluffy hair. Once again, take the towel on dry hair, bring it all the way back, and then I want you to go back and forth like this, side to side, and then boom, look at that. Fluffy, voluminous hair. Give that one a try. The next one is everybody talks about how to get, fluffy hair, how to get that root lift. Well, think about it. The volume comes from not here, but the root. So think of it this way. Take your hands, and what I want you to do is massage your scalp to where you're creating like a light tease in the hair. And what that's going to do, as you can see, it builds up the volume. So you're creating like you're massaging the head. And do this anywhere throughout your head to achieve massive volume. And look at this. We've got insane volume within seconds. If you have my product, Tidal Wave, which is my #1 best-selling sea salt spray, what you can do is on dry hair, let's just say you've been out all day, maybe your hair is a little bit dirty, a little bit oily. Well, this can act like a dry shampoo because it soaks up those oils. So what you can do is while the hair is fully dry, you can bring it back like this. I would do 1 spritz, 2 spritzes. That's all you need. Let the product settle in the hair, and then what you can do is work it like this. So it's gonna be a little bit damp, obviously, because of the product. And as you're working it in like this, it's soaking up those oils and you're building volume in the hair. So you can kind of work it until you feel it. It's pretty much dry now because it's fully absorbed into the hair. And then you can get massive volume just like that within seconds. Here's another one. You've got hair that maybe is a little bit longer on top. It lays fairly flat. Depending on the style you want, that's where utilizing a pre-styler when the hair is damp, like my Tidal Wave, blow dry it, it's gonna help build that foundation. But let's just say you dry your hair, or it's the end of the day and you don't have time to go back home, restyle your hair, rewash it. That's where the foundational tease at the base area comes in handy. So if your hair's laying flat, what do you need to do? Add volume. So we're gonna go in and I'm gonna start to create a circular motion like this right at the root area. And I mean, 2 seconds. You can run to the bathroom, doesn't matter, just go in there and look and create some sort of base circular motion like this. You're going in and boom, within seconds, your hair has tons and tons of volume. Then you can reshape it. People are gonna say, what'd you do, go home, wash, and restyle your hair? No, I used the TheSalonGuy's hair hacks. Now here's one. If you have hair that is very, very fluffy like this, I know a lot of you may want this, but say you have your hair really, really short and you want some extra volume to your hair, you wanna have a little bit of texture to it, well, that's where Beach House, this is my sea salt hair powder, a hair powder will come in handy. So what I like to do is just make sure that, because when you open this, it may have some throughout on the top here, just make sure that you dab this fully on dry hair like so, and give it enough product on the scalp. Let it settle in the hair, right? You can even go a little bit closer this way. Once the powder settles into the hair, then you can begin the building process. And look, within seconds, now we've got some quick texture. This is this is best for working it on dry hair. And there it is right there. You're able to go in and then have reworkable, moldable hold throughout the entire day. And this, because of the way this product that it binds to the hair, this is very reworkable and restylable, and it is a matte finish, so it's almost undetectable. And also, yes, if you do have a little bit of maybe some oils in your hair, maybe you get your hair's a little bit sweaty or dirty, this can act almost like a dry shampoo too because it's soaking up those oils. So a powder is something very handy. You can keep it in your purse, keep it in your bag, whatever, run to the bathroom, dab it on, and spice it up, and you're good to go. So a lot of these hair hacks really come down to products are important, but it also comes down to utilizing your hand as a tool. And the base comes from, and the volume comes from the base, this AKA the scalp. So that's really going to be your best friend is making sure you can utilize the techniques. Don't be afraid. A lot of times people, they go like this. Oh yeah, look, and they just tap it. No, you got to get in there and feel like very, very aggressive. That's how you're going to get that volume, is going in and feeling really, really aggressive on your hair. The tapping and patting, look, it just deflates everything. This is what creates volume, is lock it in and lift. Lock it in and lift. So another huge announcement. Really excited about this. Well, I have now released my second book, and it's called Why, What, How. It's basically a handbook on how to really build a brand for yourself. And it's available for a limited time on Amazon Kindle for 99 cents. I also have a soft cover and a hard cover. I'm so passionate about this, so excited about this. It is such a good read, a very tactical handbook on building a brand for yourself, giving you the strategies that I've used over the years to get to where I'm at. So if you are lost, you need some direction on what you want to do with your life, what you want to do to build something, this is a must read. And again, only 90. If I've helped you in any way, all I ask is 99 cents. Invest 99 cents in your future by getting the downloadable Kindle, or you can, pay for the soft cover or hardcover. But it really means a lot to me. I put so much into this book, and it's going to be very, very helpful. So I appreciate the support. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.